Alright, so I guess I'm getting a little bit Halloween-y. I just installed some LED flame lights up here on the top shelf. And it looks pretty cool. But let me show you what I did over here with Travel Buddy Jr. The little guy here in front. It's got some mods this morning. Travel Buddy, the big one with the big battery. You remember how I put the two lights in there? Let me turn all this off here, and the flashers, of course. Well, I didn't have enough space to put the big lights on the small one, which has a 23 amp hour size battery like that inside. So what I did is installed a switch right here and put two red LED marker lights on the front and 6 all the way around. I got 2 on the side here. You unplug this. 2 on the back, 2 on the side right there. And then also I put in a new style USB QC 3.0 power outlet for a quick charge. And the switch, of course. The lighter works good, 12 volt outlet, cigarette power socket works good too. So there you have it. Pretty cool little mod. I mean, it's not going to throw out a lot of light, but it's better than nothing, right? All right, have a good one. Hope this inspires the next guy making these things. You never know. There you have it.